Well, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, June 17th. It's just a little bit after 11. We are off on today's Monday adventure. Hey, everybody, where we going?
Do you know where we're going?
Does nobody know? Well, then I'm going to turn around and go home.
The Stokes Nature Trail.
There you go. We're going up and walk the Stokes Nature Trail, and then probably have lunch at Second Dam. And then we've got the regular crew with us today, only we've got an added bonus. Kate didn't have to work, so she's back there. She's one that. Say hi, Kate.
Hello. Hi, Kate.
So, anyway, come and go on this little adventure with us. And we are off. Got parked, got everybody out, taking our life in our own hands right here on the road, but we're being pretty careful. And Stokes Nature Center. And as you can see in here, the river is running pretty good. And there's another view. I knew I should have brought my kayak. Well, the plan is now, I just left the girls. I walked up a ways to the nature center. I'm going to walk back and get the van, and they're going to walk up to Second Dam, and then we're going to sit there and eat the lunch we brought.
Okay, here's some hummingbirds. Oh, here's one. There's another one. And look what we found. They have a free little library. How fun. So Bart walked with us to the Stokes Nature building, but then he went back to the van and he's going to meet us at Second Dam and have lunch. And from here to Second Dam is 1.4 miles.
And just a little bit more of the river.
This looks like it must be one of the outdoor classrooms. Look at that. Table for the teacher and benches for the students. Well, here's an interesting tree with its roots exposed. It's just hanging on for life. The girls want to have the lead, so we're bringing it through. Time to make a wish. Oh man, they don't blow.
She blew two off.
Well, we've made it to the spillway, so we're almost to our rendezvous point. There is a lot of water. Well, there are a few people fishing over on the other side. Well, we have made it to the bridge, and across the bridge is our rendezvous point with Grandpa. So let's go find him. I see him. Can you see Grandpa sitting in his new chair?
No.
Look really close.
I still know, Grandma.
There he is. We found him.
And the girls have arrived. And that wasn't bad. That only took them about 45 minutes from where we changed. So you made it. So excited. How was it, Allie? Well, now that everybody's back, guess what time it is? It's lunchtime. Anything different today, Lucy?
Oranges and apples.
Oranges and apples. Allie, what you got? I can see. Okay, Oreos. You brought me some pepperoni? No? Huh. Jackie, what have you got? You got quite a variety there too, huh? All right, let's eat. All right, Tammy. What'd you bring us? Is it different?
Not really. Doritos instead of potato chips, but we still have tuna.
We're still eating tuna. All right.
But Kate got apple juice.
All right, let's eat. Well, we got home. My plan was to do a little ending video. We was going to come back here, and Tammy had bought a little swimming pool for the kids to kind of play in the backyard and that, but we got home. It was cold, the wind was blowing, so we didn't get to do that today. So anyway, we're just gonna end this video here. Tammy, anything?
Well, we had lots of fun, so it's a good little walk.
So, but yeah, that's a good walk up there. If you've never done that, it's fun to do. I told them I'd keep dropping them off and picking them up. It worked out pretty good for me and that. So anyway, we'll wrap this video up here. We had a good day today and that. So thanks for watching. Hope to catch you on the next one. Have a good one.